So let's just keep an eye out and see whether it confirms, breaks the lower support. The next day it then needs to trade even lower to confirm the break of this channel. So for example, if you look here, it did break the...
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are looking at the platinum chart. We are going to look at where it's been over the week, where it's going, and what we could potentially find on the charts. Let's go into the daily. Okay, let's just drag this down. Okay, so what we can see here, it looks like we could be potentially breaking the parallel channel. Let me just go into the monthly for a moment. So if I just pull this across just to see, so as you can see, we've got the parallel channel. We're now trading towards the lower part of this parallel channel. We are down overall on the month on platinum. So we've got the support of the 2000, which we have broken, and we are still trading lower. And then we've got the lower support of 1877, which will be outside of this parallel channel. If you can't get back into the parallel channel, then we could be looking at a lot lower price for platinum, to potentially going to the 1,600 to the 1,400. So let's just go into the daily quickly. So as you can see on the daily, what we have is the chart is trading along and bouncing along the lower part of the parallel channel. Sometimes it will break the support, and then it will come back in and test the lower support, which then becomes resistance. So let's just keep an eye out and see whether it confirms, breaks the lower support. The next day it then needs to trade even lower to confirm the break of this channel. So for example, if you look here, it did break the parallel channel, but then came straight back in the next day. So if you look, the 29th, which was the Wednesday, broke it, but the next day straight back in. So to confirm, it needs to be Wednesday, breaks that parallel channel, then Thursday breaks below it, and then confirms and closes. That's confirmation that there is a change of direction. So at the moment, the direction is still trading along this lower part of the parallel channel. So today we have a down day, but it's nothing to worry about. We're still pretty much in this channel that we're following. So let's keep an eye on it. Let's just see where it ends up by the close of play, and then we'll see how it trades the following day. So let's go into the 1 hour just quickly. So as you can see on the 1 hour, so we've got that 2000 support area. Okay, so it came in, bounced off a few times, dropped below it, and it's turned around and it's now become a resistance. So it's bumped on it a few times and now it's coming down. So as it comes down, it will hit the support around the 1925. So let's see if it can hold and start to build some sort of consolidation around this area before heading a bit higher. So let's go into the 10 minutes, just have a quick look. So we can see on the 10 minutes where it's spiked a little bit lower, just below the 1950, and then it's bounced straight back up. So let's see whether this line is going to hold or whether it's going to make its way back in. So it looks like you've probably got what looks like a trading range, which it looks like it might have actually broken it. So let's just have a quick look at what we can find. So right from here across, okay, and I'll take it up. There we go. So as we can see, what we've done, we've had the trading range. We've been going up and down in this range, so between the 2000 and 1963. As you can see, we have now broken it. Where could we be heading next? That's quite straightforward. As you can see, we're heading towards the 1900 area. So 1900 is where I suspect that we're going to have the next area of support. So let's keep an eye on that. So let's just make a little note here. So X. So I'm just going to put target. So yeah, that is 1900. Okay, so let's watch that. So we've got a lower target to keep an eye on. If it gets there, I should imagine it will have a bit of support, and then can it start trading higher. So if it hits it, as you can see, it's the lower part of the bigger parallel channel. But what I can notice is if you look at the lower part of the parallel channel, it's getting higher and higher and higher. So the first one went through it, pierced through it, came back up, and traded nicely up towards the 2170 area, and then the next downward trend got to the 1870, which is another lower part of the parallel channel, and then bounced again. And this time, again, it actually went a little bit higher than the first bounce here. So I'm going from here to up here, which the high point was roughly about 2160, dropping again, hitting the lower part of the channel, and at this time the top end was 2194, and then now it's coming back in. So what's to say it's going to hit this lower part of the channel and then maybe head towards that 2200 area. So let's keep an eye on that. If I could just ask you to help the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing. This will help the channel to grow. So let's have a quick look at the daily. There we go. Okay, and that will conclude the chart for platinum for today. As I said, if you can help the channel to grow by liking, sharing, subscribing, leaving your comment. Now, please look out for our latest video, which will be out again soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.